Hello, everyone. From today, I'm going to start 4 lectures about year of the rabbit 2023. So next year is the year of the rabbit 2023. Time and timing is very important. We have 3 months, little bit over 3 months until year of the rabbit. Year of the rabbit will starting February 1st. So before February 1st, what you can do and in order to welcome and have a better year for year of the rabbit, because the last 3 years for everyone, it's kind of hard. So how we can, enhance the year of the rabbit. So starting, it's right now. It's really, really important. Right now, this is 3 months. It's really the good preparation in order to carry to the year of the rabbit. So first of all, starting tomorrow, don't forget tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, Saturday, it's October 29th, October 29th. So make sure 9, your local time, okay? Your local time, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So you want walk out your home, your house. So first you want the street to the south, okay? So next year, south, it's really, really good directions. You want to walk 3 to 5 minutes to the south. Then after you shift to southwest, next year, southwest, it's good, but all depending tomorrow. Tomorrow have a really, really powerful 3 stars will help you guiding your directions, guiding you next year. Then southwest, walk another, few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Then you turn to the west. West, it's also very opportunity, good area to go. Then you make a clockwise, okay? Then you can return to home. So then you completed it tomorrow, then sync with the those stars help you seedling activation for the year of the 2023. So tomorrow. And if you miss tomorrow, Sunday, you can do Sunday as well. So tomorrow, that's the most powerful day. Sunday, it's also as good. But regardless, again, just from tomorrow all the way to November 23rd. So this is a really, really powerful whole month. So in Chinese astrology, this is the pig month. So pig month pig is the good friend to rabbit. So it means if this month your activation sync with the pig energy, then that way can carry you up to the year of the rabbit, can help the year of the rabbit. So that's why this month, of course, practicing Qigong, definitively, this is really, really important. And also between this time, then there's one of another important day. So that's why time and timing so important. Another important day is November 5th. November 5th to 7th, November 7th. And on the November 5th, many people will join me for the, for the bone setting. This is a very powerful, time because we're starting first day of the winter. You want to avoid it, if you did not join my class, make sure, between November 5th, 6th, and 7th, November 7th is the first day of the winter. You want to avoid it, practicing, then, just make sure realignment of your bone, that your bone getting stronger, sturdy, in order to prep for the winter, harsh winter comes. So okay, so this is you know, first little video. Then again, so next a few video, I'm going to talk about when the winter comes, then we have the 8 weakest point we need strengthening. So next, you know, 2 videos, I will talk about the 4 points. Then after the follow video, I will talk about another 4 points. Then, you know, then again, between next year, though, each time have time and timing. Just make sure you are getting on my channels, then you will get the first notification, you know, just because also, you know, my schedule, and suddenly today I have some time because tomorrow is so important. So that's why I, you know, right away make this video. But, you know, if you did not, you know, subscribe my channels, you won't receiving right away. So that's why if you want to right away, from now all the way to February 4th, I will, you know, periodically give you reminder, give you advice, because with all those advice, not only help you increasing your chi army, and with all the stars awareness of the nature, it's like you continue increasing your Air Force army. Then again, I said, the, you know, year of the rabbit, which is related with your astrology, will help you continue, you know, sync with the earth, and also increasing your marine army. So you have a 3 level of army, then really help you protect you, you defend you, and you know, and continue you know, sync with the nature. So please can join me for the future, you know, on the YouTube or Instagram and the Facebook. You can all find this video. So thank you so much. So hopefully you please follow those advice. Thank you.